Having a garden gate is wonderful, but you need to consider the importance of a fence gate. A fence gate is a good thing since it not only has a spear top for protection, but it also comes in a variety of sizes to accommodate different locations and budgets. This fence gate is designed as a garden barrier and adds flair and privacy to your patio or terrace. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all these items suitable for you. If you want to find great prices and more information about the products mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description below. And now let's start. At number 1 is the vidaXL double door fence gate. It has a spear top garden patio outdoor finish that comes in multiple sizes. There's a double door fence gate that works with a body where there are 2 separate doors instead of just one. They'll move outward and inward in opposite directions. Its unique feature is the vertical bars topped with spear ends. This feature is a strong deterrent to possible burglars and unauthorized entry. It also has strong horizontal brace that serves as reinforcement to the frame. This fence boasts black steel powder-coated finish to protect against rust and corrosion. It also has 2 high fence posts with a distance of 13 inches in between. It has a total height of 88 inches. This fence gate is highly stable and durable. It also provides a practical barrier for your patio or terrace. This fence gate also provides a high degree of privacy and security for all the members of your family. Its construction also guarantees a longer life against day-to-day weather. In addition to that, it has a bolt hinge for easy locking and mounting posts for easy installation. These are also secured together with a lock and handle system in the middle. There are 3 matching keys that are also included in delivery. What's great about this product is the combination of style, strength, and stability that matches any home. This product also comes with easy-to-install manual. At number 2 is the Lixada double door fence gate. It's a spear with a size of 13 feet by 6.6 feet. It's designed to safeguard your living space by separating your garden from the outside world. Plus, it serves as a practical barrier for either your patio garden or terrace. Sitting at a total height of just over 8 feet, the post height of this garden fence is 7 by 4 feet and has a post diameter of 7 by 4 feet. Complementing the size of the double door fence is a gate panel with a height of 5 by 7 and 6 by 5 feet. This dimension of the gate should be enough to seclude and render security on your property. Interestingly, this door fence comes in a safe shade of black, which is always stylish, preferred to many. The color black always exudes safeness and neutrality. Aside from that, the vertical bars of it are topped with spear ends and reinforced by strong horizontal braces, providing both a sturdy, stylish entryway to your property. Indeed, the durability of these double-door fence is given with its heavy-duty, powder-coated finished steel material that's resistant to corrosion and rust. It includes mounting posts for easy installation and a bolt hinge for quick locking. On top of this, the garden fence readily combines strength, corrosion resistance, stability, and style. The combination is a surefire formula that guarantees years of high performance of the Lixada double-door garden fence. Haven't seen the fence gate you like yet? Well, keep watching because we have more to come. But before we proceed, we'd like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community by subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. And now, back to our list. At number 3 is the Beyamis Fence Gate Double Door. It has a spiked steel and black that creates a modern-looking functional barrier between your yard and the outside. It's made of high-quality steel with expert craftsmanship. It has the ability to provide optimum protection while simultaneously maintaining a graceful appearance through its powder-coated material. Plus, the material is made to withstand rust and corrosion. Aside from that, its assembled weight is 48 pounds, with an assembled dimensions of 61 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 6 inches in height. When it comes to its general dimensions, its overall size is 10 feet in width and 6 feet in height. Its panel extends from 3 feet up to 5 feet. On top of that, the diameter of the post is 2 feet and has a height of 5 feet. Another great feature of this fence gate is the pike ends and strong horizontal bracing as reinforcement. It ensures a great degree of protection while providing an absolutely stunning doorway to your land. Along with that, the Beyamis gate also has a bolt hinge for easy locking and mounting posts for simple installation. The delivery also includes 3 matching keys. This gate is the perfect blend of style, strength, stability, and corrosion resistance. It can provide maximum protection while also maintaining a graceful look that's simple to use and put together. At number 4 is the double door fence gate. It's spear top and suitable barrier for your garden, patio, or terrace. It's extremely stable and robust and made of stylish functional barrier. The fence gate provides a great degree of protection while providing a wonderful entryway to your property. On top of that, you'll find the vertical bars topped with spear tips and a powerful horizontal brace. Its frames come reinforcement as added protective feature of this item. The gate's also powder coated. It helps prevent rust and corrosion. It's also made from heavy-duty steel. Furthermore, it comes in black and is designed with a steel gate and powder-coated finish. The general size of this fence gate is 88 inches in height with a post height of 78 inches. In addition, the gate's panel height is 60 inches by 70 inches. The distance between posts is 157.5 inches and a post diameter of 2 inches. Moreover, when it comes to its assembled dimensions, it's a size of 39 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 7 inches high. Along with that, it also has mounting posts, so the installation is very easy. It also has a bolt hinge for rapid locking. The delivery also comes with 3 matching keys. The gate is a perfect mix of elegance, durability, sturdiness, and corrosion resistance. At number 5 is the Lixada double door fence gate. It also has a spear with a unique feature. It's designed to function as a double door gate. The spear at the top is a product size of 13 by 8 inches. It adds protection to your home and makes you feel more secure. The fence gate weighs 100 pounds and measures a total height of 8 feet and 1 inch. While the post height is 7 feet and 4 inches, it also has a distance of 13 feet and 1 inch on both posts. In addition, its assembled dimensions are 38.5 in length, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches high. Aside from that, it also has black steel with powder-coated finish, just like the first 4 items we reviewed. It gives your home a luxurious, clean appearance. That's why this fence gate is highly stable. On top of that, it'll form a modern vibe that's suitable for any type of home. It's not just a practical barrier, but it also gives a great view from your garden. Fence gates are often connected by bolt hinges for easy locking and mounting. Well, worry no more because this product comes with an easy-to-handle, adjustable lock for everybody. There are also 3 matching keys included in the package. This fence has a great combination of style and security, and not only installed for the security of your home, but adds another great feature for your lawn or garden. And there you have it, the 5 best fence gates. Whichever one you choose to get based on your preferences, we hope this video helped you choose the right one. For prices and more information, check out the links in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming reviews. If you found this video helpful, recommend it to your friends and family to help them with their buying decisions. We hope you enjoyed this video. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.